Well, this is my third day out here at the creek. I'm really hoping to catch something today, which I'm happy to be out here. It's a beautiful day. But unfortunately, on the beautiful days when the sun's out and the water's clear, the fishing is in the trout's favor, meaning that you probably won't catch them. But anyways, we're gonna try to catch some today, and hopefully we can get some. It's honestly so pretty out here in the fall. All the trees changing right under the bridge. It's especially beautiful if you're on the bridge and you're looking down. But you really gotta appreciate nature for what it is. This is the hole me and my dad was fishing right here. Pull him up.
Yeah, buddy. You keeping him?
Oh yeah. And that gold is still in there. I don't know if the camera sees him or not, but I can see him right now. I'm gonna try to get him. And he is not interested in it at all. Let's go into that area. Oh, there he goes. He's showing some interest a little bit. So maybe if I threw a worm in there, he'd come check it out. I'm gonna cast this one more time, and if he don't show no interest, I'm gonna throw a worm. I'll turn around and look at it, but that's about as far as it goes. So I'm gonna switch to a worm, put a little orange jig head on here, and see if that works any better. There he is, right there. Let me shut these worms up. Let's see if I can get this right there by that gold. He's moving around. It's almost like he's looking for something to eat. Now this is a game that I like to call trout or chub. So we're gonna wait until something hits it, and I will be able to tell if it's a trout or a chub. So nothing's hit it yet. Not felt anything. Oh, there's a hit. Nope, just kidding, I'm hung up. Okay, we got the worm tied on. And now we're ready to throw it back out there. Right on top of that gold here. Right on top of him. A perfect cast. And there he goes, spinning around to look at it. And he swam away. Now here's where we play the chub or trout game again. I just got a chub. Look at that. Oh, that ain't a chub. Hold on. What is that? That is a bluegill. Look at that. It's so crazy when I catch these things in here. Oh, he might be dead. He's pretty too. Buddy, you ain't gonna get nowhere doing that. Come here. Yeah, stop it. Oh, what a pretty little bluegill. Throw him back. Maybe I'll check this hole out. I got time. I don't remember it being this steep. 22. Ooh. Oh. It's a chub. Look at that. It's a chub. Pretty good sized chub too. Didn't even eat the whole worm. Tore him up pretty good, but he didn't eat the whole thing.
Oh yeah, there's one. Oh, it's big. Oh, you ain't going nowhere, son. You ain't going nowhere. Oh yeah, baby. Let's go. Look at this freaking beast. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can't believe I caught one. Thank you, Lord. This is my PB right here. Oh my gosh. What a freaking monster. Oh, let's go. This is my PB rainbow trout. Biggest one I've ever caught. Probably weighs like maybe 2.5 pounds. It's about the same size as the one my dad caught. But yeah, this is the nicest trout I've ever caught, and I can't hardly hold still, man. I'm so excited. Pull him up. God, that's a nice one.
Dude. That's the biggest rainbow I've ever caught out of Glade Creek.
That's a big rainbow. You keeping him?
Oh yeah.
Bring him over here. That's a hammer, dude. Here, I got you. I got you. Hold him up.
See my power bait no more. That gold went out there and picked it up. You know where I threw it?
Where?
I threw it over there right on top of that rock ledge where that gold's laying and let it fall down in that shadow. You know that shadow right there?
That's where they're sitting, huh?
Yeah.